Hi, welcome to an apartment tour in Washington, D.C. For those of you who are new, my name is Monica. I'm a first-year medical student, and today I'll show you the apartment that I've been living in all throughout med school. I'm excited to show you guys this place. I actually love my apartment. This is going to be the quickest apartment tour you've ever seen because I live in a studio, so it's pretty small, but I love it. I love the space. It's so me. I love everything about it. It makes me happy. I spend quite a lot of time in my home because I'm studying pretty much all of the time, and I love having a comfortable, cozy place that I get to call my own. So quick caveat before we get started, this place actually came furnished. So none of this furniture is mine, none of the decor is mine, but I walked into this place and I loved everything about it, and I feel like if I could decorate a place, this is kind of how I would do it too. So yeah, it just worked out so perfectly. I knew this apartment was mine literally since like the minute I stepped into this place, but enough blabbering about. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys this place. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna start off with the entryway. So this is kind of the door as you walk in. There is a really cute key hanging station as soon as you like walk in. I know it's like filled with a whole bunch of junk at the moment, but this is just like a body spray. This is from one of the events I went to in med school. Sunglasses, masks, obviously, random stuff, keys, another something that I went to. I like to keep little mementos, and then like my go-to bag from Target. I love this bag. But yeah, this is like a really cute station, and then right next to it I have this little thing that says little homes make big memories, which is very true because my place is very small, but I have some amazing memories already. All right, so the next thing to your right as you walk in is this giant mirror. It like basically takes up this entire wall, and it's great because I get to look at my outfit like one last time before I head out. And excuse how wrinkled the shirt is. My gosh, really killing it out here. But yeah, I really like this mirror. There's really nothing else to say about this. All right, so then as you walk in, you have this cute little dining areas. I also have this tray. I actually bought this tray from IKEA, and I have some candles, and then I have the world's most beautiful roses just out here. Oh my gosh, you guys, how beautiful are these? I picked them up from Trader Joe's, and genuinely I love these. All right, so this is the dining area. I got these chair cushions from Walmart, and they're pretty great. And then right above it there are these like prints, wall prints, for a few cities, and all of these cities I love. And they're just so beautiful and so well done. The other thing that I forgot to mention actually is this little area. So this is kind of my closet slash bathroom. So I'll take you guys inside. I have like a full-on walk-in closet, which, man, my landlord really prioritized some spaces. But I have all my shoes over here, all my toiletries and makeup and all of that, and all my bags up here. And then, this is the fun part, is my closet. So yeah, this is what my closet looks like. It's great. I have a lot of storage, and this is the other part of it. Yeah, so it's a very good storage area for all of my clothes, everything I could possibly need. And then on the other side I have my bathroom, and it's like a pretty standard bathroom, you know, nothing crazy. Hi. But I love these prints on the wall, and then I especially like this one. It's bathroom rules. Okay, so then once you come out of that area, you have the rest of the space. So first I'll pan over to the bedroom area. So this is my bed. What I love about this is that it's kind of like in its own separate area. So like the entrance is separate, and then so the bedroom has like its own little enclave, which I really like because it helps to separate out the rooms. And then right in front of the bed is the TV. I don't really watch a lot of TV just in general, and then especially not in bed, but this is where it is and it works. I have some really beautiful prints up here. That's the Louvre, and it's like the inside of it, which I just love all of it. And then I have a huge mirror over here, and this is like one of my favorite things in this apartment because it makes everything look so much bigger. It opens up the place, it reflects all the light, and it's just so big. I always get to look at my outfits before I leave over here too. All right, and then as you pan to the left, this is my living area and my desk. And okay, this was one of my favorite things in the world, this like wall print of the Eiffel Tower. How beautiful is this? And it's so big and it takes up the entire space and it just makes it look so cool. And then I have my couch, some blankets. I think this couch is from IKEA, and so is this table over here. This is definitely from IKEA. And I really like this table because you can kind of keep all your stuff hidden away in there. I also have my weights and everything that I use to work out in there. So it's all hidden away. It looks cute. And then this is my this is my study table or my desk. This is the white board that I hung up in one of my first videos, so shout out if you've watched that video. And I really like my desk. It is a little bit small, and this entire area actually is very small, especially given the fact that I spend most of my time here, but I still really like it, and it's like the perfect placement for this desk. And I don't really have much on my desk because honestly I am very much a minimalist and I don't like a lot of stuff, so this is great. This is a Google Mini, which I really like. Yeah. And then finally we head to the kitchen. And the other amazing thing too, like similar to the bedroom area, the kitchen is also separated from the rest of the apartment. So this is the kitchen. It's like a full-on kitchen. I love this kitchen. This is a really nice stove, and it's like custom made because it has to be a little bit smaller just because the kitchen is so small, but it works really, really well. And then the oven also works so well, which I love. And then there's another print over here. I just have some stuff over here. And then this is like my pride and joy too. I have all of my stuff. So like, don't look on the bottom because I haven't organized it, but on top I love these like little mason jars. And this is, I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos, but I love making oatmeal. And so all of this stuff is my oatmeal essentials. So chocolate chips, walnuts, chia seeds, oatmeal, granola, all of that. And then I have some wine glasses that I've hung up over here. And then over here is like my little pantry. And then I have more of these little mason jars that I got from Walmart. And they're so cute. And then over here, I just have a little watch. And I love what it says on there. It says, whatever, I'm late anyways. And then I just love the fact that this time is like absolutely incorrect. It's just wrong. So it just goes with the theme. I have a little microwave, microwave and a fridge. My gosh, really can't talk today. And yeah, and I love this like backsplash. This is just so beautiful, and it has like a faint green color to it. I'm not sure if you can tell, but green, blue, like sea color. It's very, very beautiful. And yeah, this is the whole apartment. Give you a whole view. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and coming on a tour of my apartment. I've been living in this apartment for about, I want to say 8 months now, 7-8 months now, and I love it. I think I'm gonna stay here another year because I just love this place so much, and it's so convenient. It's like a 20-minute walk to school, which is perfect. It's in a good area, and like I said, it came furnished, which was everything that I needed because I hate moving, and I especially hate moving furniture. If you guys have ever moved, you know how much of a pain that is. So it came furnished, so it was so easy to move in, and it's gonna be so easy to move out. I just love everything about this apartment. I love this space, and it's definitely home for me right now. And yeah, I love it. It's been great to spend the first year of med school here. But thank you guys so much for joining me today, and if you like this video, definitely give it a like. If you want more videos about med school, week in the life, day in the life, my life in med school in general, any questions you have, definitely leave them in the comments below, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.